Nuresh, quickly comment on the charts of Reliance, ITC and then the Nifty itself.
So ITC looks the most promising in the near term because that's the stock which is breaking out, and we are seeing momentum across the whole FMCG space. So a short-term breakout here could again go back towards the 500 mark. Reliance continues to be in an uptrend, wherein the next price to watch out for is that 2650 mark, which was the previous high. So 2650 is next for Reliance Industries, and Nifty, the next one is to look out for 22,200 levels.
Okay, 21,800. I think last Wednesday, what was the low we had touched? 21,200 or even lower?
20,976 was the low.
We went below 21,000,
so
yes.
It was the 900-point rally.
Wow, that's a stellar rally in a week's time, and that too, it was a truncated week at that. So bulls clearly happy. If you bought that dip, you're having a very happy New Year party, I'm sure, because look at those gains. 21,780, Bank Nifty 48,500. So the last leg actually hasn't come from the Bank Nifty. It's actually Reliance, ITC and a couple of those auto names which are actually doing okay. Last 50 seconds left for the trading session. So I'll thank all our guests for joining us today. But it's been a stellar run. No other adjective can actually sum up the kind of series that we have had. We're closing 2023 in a style, if you can call it that. Over 8% gains coming in for the Nifty this month itself. 21,800. The advanced decline ratio is not looking that impressive, but really the big move has been in the large caps today. Reliance Industries for that matter, ITC for instance, Coal India was up around 4%, and a lot of these other names like Bharti Airtel, M&M, ICICI Bank, they have been slowly and steadily building onto gains. Autos as a theme was also doing okay because we had Hero MotoCorp that did well in the trading session. Banks were holding up, no complaints there. But it wasn't an outperformer of sorts, so PNB went home with a gain of around 4%. Sectorally speaking, it was only IT which was a bit of a party spoiler, if you can call that, because that index was in the red. But other than that, public sector entities and the metal names at that, Hindustan Copper, National Aluminium, SAIL, NMDC, these are just a few names that I wanted to highlight. From the energy pack, HPCL, Oil India, IOCL, these were the big gainers in the trading session for the day. So, of course, that's the way we've ended the day. But let's see where we head on. Tomorrow is, of course, the last trading session of 2023. Do we close it with a bang? Is there any more legs to that? We'll talk about that when we come back tomorrow. Thanks so much for being with us today.